Say hello. How are you? Say hello. You're not talking to Faith? She's just jumping. She just jumping. Let's try to get the good light. Hi Faith, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day here, of course. And we are heading out on a mission right now. We're gonna pick up Tyler, but first, before we pick up Tyler, we need to go to ding 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 ding. See if you can guess it. We're going shopping for something. Comment down below if it's not in the title. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think we're going shopping for. Is either we're gonna purchase it or we're gonna see if we find one that we like. We're going couch shopping. I've been waiting for this day to get rid of this tripping couch in my house. I showed you guys a few vlogs back that is just tripping like it's changing life. So we are going couch shopping and we need to get it out of our way now that restriction has lifted and stores are open back. Today is also a holiday here. Today I think is Pentecost Day here in France, so it's a holiday. And I also think it's Labor Day in Jamaica, so labor well my people. Anyway you guys, we are about to head out. There is Sarah being her pretty self, running after her papa. I'm going to go get my shoes on and you guys will see baby in a bit. So let's go couch shopping. Oh babe coming. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Coming, he's coming, he's coming.
Hi guys, good afternoon everybody. Yeah, we have things to do, we have things to do, we have things to do, and you know what? The woman choose. Oh, sad.
Woman choose.
Sad, but
wife happy,
yeah,
everybody
you have to let the woman choose if you want peace. If you want peace, because if you choose and she disagree, all year she gonna say, but this couch have this, or oh you have this, or it's not comfortable, or let her choose. She manage her choice. Advice, tips, whatever you want. Yes, isn't it right? Especially you, especially you. If I choose some things, she will all along say you know good or all of this, and she gonna say it like loudly, like this thing doesn't work, and it's BS, whatever it calls.
Well, it seemed like somebody had something on their mind and wanted to get it off. Get it off your mind, honey. Continue. Go right for it, my love. Continue. Go on.
Who is right?
Are you done?
For now.
Anyway, you guys, seems like baby had that on his mind and he just wanted to get it out. So he just had his moment. He get it out. Are you lighter now, husband? You're lighter? Yes. You're ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys. Let's go shopping. Hey, go, pretty girl. Dance. Go Sarah, do. She's taking up her pretzel. Do. Happy face. Show me happy face. Happy face. Show me sad face. That's your sad face? You're so gorgeous. You know that?
Show me called while we are all in long sleeve.
That's good. And because today is holiday, it's kind of empty. I've been wanting to go in You know, maybe today's the day I can get to go in that store. There's a restaurant open here. Look like a cafe. Oh, it's a new place. Anyway, you guys, we're about to go in one of my favorite stores. So let's go in Comforama. This one here. So this store basically sells anything appliances. I need one of these sandwich maker, waffle maker, if that's what you call it. Iron her. Alright, let's go couch shopping. You're not gonna...
Huh?
No, I didn't realize that. Babe. Guys, we're at the couches. Now it's time to explore some options, and this is the material of the one that we have. I don't need it again. Nah. Yeah. No, don't need it. Now to the real thing. This is the one that I like. This one right here. This one right here. It's bigger than the one that we have now. Oh. You don't like it?
I'm thinking what's best to me. This angle or the other one.
That's best. So this was my first choice from long time. I think it remains my first choice. I really like this. It's cute. Which other one we were looking at? And it also have a pull-out section just like the one we have. Makes it even better. So it have a bed. What was the price on this one? Okay, 1,129 euros for this one. That's the cover that I need to buy for the one in Sarah's room. Because of the one we have. Bigger? Yeah. Two on the long. Because it's 3 cushion at the back. The one we have is 3 cushion at the back, like this. This is the one that this size we have at home now. This one. You can't pass there, so. You doubted me for a second. He doubted me. You underestimated me. Damn, this look huge. This look huge. See, she dropped the yeah. Eh. Sit. You want snack? You like that one? You like that one? Is you say too ugly? It's too big. Too big though. Too big. Look when you sit up, all of you in it. It's like a bed. This is somebody who have a studio and need a bed and couch. I don't like it. It's a waste of space. Huh? What's the price? Alright guys, I think this is the one.
Caisse normale. Caisse normale.
This is the one.
Merci aussi.
You guys, it feels so good to turn on the camera and I don't see that damn light hanging down behind me. Excuse me for cursing. But we're back home from that little shopping. And Tyler don't know what Mama and Papa just went to do. You know what Mama and Papa just went to do? Oh, look who it's on. Say hello to the face. Say hello to the face. You know what Mama and Papa went to do just now? You want to know or you want it to be a surprise?
I want it to be a surprise.
Okay, so you're gonna have to wait a few days and then you'll know.
No,
You just said you wanted it to be a surprise.
yes, a surprise, but you don't tell me, but you show it to me.
I can't show it to you, I have to tell you.
Okay, tell me. Okay, Mama.
You want to know? We just buy the new couch.
Let me see.
It's not here. We have to wait a few days before it comes. But we just pay for it. We buy the new couch.
Tiens, t'as là.
I'm
Tout de suite, tout de
excited.
suite.
I'm happy that the old
Ça, je l'ai
one.
où? Dehors? No, no place dehors.
We're on the back. Happy that the old one is gonna finally say bye-bye, but in 10 days it should be delivered at home. So we have at least 2 weeks wait before it's here. However, I also stop at another store named Action, where I always want to go since forever because there's always a long line. And I decided I'm not trying no line to go in that store. So we just popped by Action and pick up a few things that I saw in there cheap. So Action is basically a dollar store. So let me show you the finds while I'm preparing dinner for everybody. We got cheap diaper for Princess.
Mama, this iPhone 12.
Don't you hear me talking? What you know about iPhone 12? Once
You
it's at
want
the table.
iPhone 12 at
Moi, je
Action.
t'ai dit.
Why this in the
Why not?
drawer?
Because it's me that always put it here. Yes.
You put it in dirty, so don't be proud of that.
What you mean in dirty?
You don't hear me say what it doing there with this on it. What was on it? You're proud of how you put it in?
So you put it on the stove, you have no time to wait.
Exactly, but I'm using olive oil, just a little bit. He's saying that because I'm frying the salmon on the stove top instead of the air fryer. Because it's late. Anyway, so after that I got diaper. I got this brush and comb set for Sarah. And I got 2 cheap cereal bars that I want to try. I got some stickers for Sarah because I'm preparing Sarah for potty training. So I'm gonna give her a sticker reward. Sarah, come, come. And I got this drawing book for Tyler because Tyler loves drawing and he always uses paper, so I got a book for him so he can draw on. And then we got a new laundry basket. So that's all the finds that we picked up. Now I'm making dinner. Let me show you guys What's for dinner? I had already prepared, so I made quinoa before I left home, and I made green beans before I left home, and now I'm doing the salmon. So, knowing me, I always plan ahead of time. I know I would come back late, so I made sure that dinner was well on its way. Anyway, you guys, I am going to give everybody dinner, and I have a meeting to do online in a bit, so I'm going to just get everybody dinner, put them down, and get that done. Look at this crazy one behind. What are you doing? Why are you
give this video a thumbs up.
You should do too, guys. They do it, so you should do it. If I have 1,000 views, I should have 1,000 thumbs up. Come on, you guys. Work with me here, okay? You guys watch, so it won't take anything out of you to give it a thumbs up. Do it for the fam bam right now. Love you guys. Let's get dinner done. On me for?
No, you're too much on the camera. You have to be on the right.
Move! You play too much.
Much way
You
on
want me
the
bite
right.
you?
Beside the door.
You put me in the naughty corner?
Yes. Hi guys. Yes, it's after midnight.
Lies, not after midnight.
I was sleeping. I was very sleeping, and she woke me up and she said, "Babe, we need to end the vlog." I was sleeping. Look at her.
I know he was gonna lie, but I didn't expect that much big of a lie.
We're tired. Why you did that? You couldn't wait tomorrow.
I know.
You couldn't do it earlier.
Comment down below and tell me if you guys believe what you just said. Comment down below. Comment down below and tell me if you guys believe what my husband just said.
That you're naughty?
Whoa, anyway, you guys, I'm sweating from a session.
Yes, that's the truth.
What?
She's sweating, Shava, and the water has sponge everywhere.
I was online just now talking to a group of Jamaicans and other YouTubers who have lots of questions about YouTube, so I was helping as much as I could with all the little information that I have.
That's what all of the tissue on the side is for.
You guys don't believe anything come out of this man's mouth, please. Where is the tissue? Where?
Yeah, you just wait to the bin.
You saying Caroline just says on the side, you don't know it's the majority of the
Guys, I can tell you something. She was doing her things in the bedroom here, and I can hear her screaming from the other side of the house. The Jamaican in her. Jamaican talking
loud
to
and
Jamaican.
proud.
Can you believe if a Jamaican is, how you say, deaf? One can't hear? No, sir. No. Ah, screw. What is that?
You know why we used to scream as Jamaican? Because we're hosting and they're close to each other. When we were talking to you, but we say, yo, what going up there? Yeah, no sugar, my yawn.
I mean, not hear you.
I like you till they
Say it louder.
They were here.
We have neighbor.
No, we not no neighbor. We have
we
neighbor,
have
but
kids
neighbor
sleeping.
far.
We have kids
They
sleeping.
never wake up though.
No, they get used to.
No, whatever. End the vlog.
The earth can shake. They're not gonna wake up. Say, Mama is still talking. Mama, you're snoring.
End the vlog.
Anyway, guys, that was today. That was a good day. You satisfied by the day?
I purchased my girl.
Well, happy wife, happy life.
I'm
Thank you
not
for me.
excited to throw away this crutch.
Well, let's hope when he comes, you're still excited.
Let me enjoy my excitement. I purchased my couch. When it come, that speaks for itself. If you don't like it, me carry back. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up right now. If we have 1,000 views, we're to have 1,000 subscribers because you guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. Make sure your notification bell is on, and if your notification bell is not on, go to the channel. Monday to Friday, a video is there, guaranteed. I promise ya. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.